In this video, we're going to explain how to add a new page to your WordPress website. There are 3 ways to go about doing this. You can come up here to your new menu and click down to add a new page. You can hover over your Pages menu, which will allow you to add a new page. Or you can click into your Pages menu and click the Add New button at the top here. Once we're on your new page, you'll need to give your page a title. We're going to call this page Test Page. We're going to click into the backend editor, and you'll see as we do this, a permalink is auto-generated for your page. There are 2 ways that we can go about adding in a new page. We can either select a pre-designed template or layout, or we can create our own from scratch. In this case, we're going to create one from scratch. I can do so by coming up here to the plus sign and viewing all the different elements that can be placed into our page. As you'll see, there are a ton here. When you scroll through them, it's everything from text blocks to images, galleries. We have the ability to add tables, maps, pricing, accordions, tabs, forms, charts, you name it, we can do it. We're going to start by adding a text block. And you'll see you can start putting your test copy here. You have the ability to make your text bold, underline it. You can even change the heading size. You can do bullet point and numbered lists. You're able to highlight your copy. Come up here to the link icon. You can add a link either to an outside URL, which you can select to have open in a new tab, or you can click to link the text to another page on your website. As you'll see, that underlines it and puts it in blue. If you're ever going to be copying and pasting text from either Microsoft Word or an email into your text box here, you always want to make sure that you've clicked and selected this icon here, Paste as Plain Text. This basically removes any coding from the copy that you're pasting in before it gets inserted here into this text box. You'll then want to click Save Changes, and your copy shows up here in your text box. If you decide you'd like columns, you'll come up here to this option here, and you can create a custom option, or you can do a predetermined one. So here we're going to do 2 columns. If we change our mind, it's easy enough to come in here and make it 3 columns. In this center icon, perhaps we'd like to add a single image. And this will take you to your media library where you can either upload a new image from your desktop, or you can select one that you already have here in your library. You can select your image size here and the alignment as well. You're going to want to click Save Changes. We can come down here and we can add something else if we'd like. Perhaps we would like to do, we'll say a Google map. You are able to put in your longitude and latitude for wherever you are, and your Google map will display. The one thing that you want to be sure of is when you're adding a new page, you always need to make sure you save your page as a draft or you publish it before leaving the page. In this case, I'm going to save our page as a draft since it's something we're not looking to publish just yet. Okay, you'll see up here that we have been able to save this page as a draft. And now I'm going to come over here and I'd like to preview the page so that I can see what the work we've done so far looks like. So here was the copy that we put in. The second column had our image. We left the third column blank. And you see our Google map. So this is the basics of adding a new page with different elements. Please make sure to view our other videos for more details on how to use different elements within your pages.